In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change thumbnail on YouTube Shorts. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up YouTube app, then tap Add Plus and select Create a Short. On the next step, we will be able to record a short video, or we can tap right here to upload some from our camera roll. I'm just gonna record short video just to demonstrate you how it works. Then we need to tap at that check mark, next, and on that step we can change thumbnail for that short. To do that, we need to tap at that pencil, and then we can choose some frame from that video, and once we find one we like to use as a thumbnail, we just need to tap at Done. That's how you can easily change thumbnail on YouTube Shorts.